The 1001 Nights, also known as Arabian Nights, is a collection of Middle Eastern folk tales that were compiled in the Arabic language during the Islamic Golden Age. The stories were gathered over many centuries by various authors, translators, and scholars across West Asia, Central Asia, South Asia, and North Africa. Some of the tales have roots in ancient and medieval Arabic, Sanskrit, Persian, and Mesopotamian literature. However, most of the stories were originally folk stories from the Abbasid and Mamluk eras. The 1001 Nights is known for its framing device, which involves the ruler Shahryar being told stories by his wife Scheherazade, with one tale told each night. The stories continue from this original tale, with some being framed within other tales and some being self-contained. Some editions contain only a few hundred nights of storytelling, while others include 1001 or more. The majority of the text is in prose, although verse is occasionally used for songs, riddles, and to express strong emotions. The 1001 Nights was originally an oral tradition before being written down as anonymous works with no known author. The tales spread throughout the Middle East, North Africa, South Asia, and the West. The stories, particularly those involving sexual references and forbidden, caused controversy in Muslim countries, with some scholars arguing that the book should be banned because it did not represent Islam. The 1001 Nights has been translated into many languages and has captured the imaginations of readers around the world. The stories have been adapted into various forms of media, including Hollywood feature films and Disney animated movies. The tales of Aladdin, Ali Baba, and Sinbad are some of the most well-known stories from the collection. These stories, however, were not part of the original Arabic versions and were added to the collection by French translator Antoine Galland in the 18th century. The 1001 Nights is a fascinating collection of stories that continues to be enjoyed by readers of all ages. The stories offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the Middle East and provide a window into the lives and beliefs of people from different times and places. The tales also explore themes of love, betrayal, adventure, and magic, making them both entertaining and thought-provoking. The enduring appeal of 1001 Nights lies in its timeless ability to captivate audiences with its blend of storytelling, culture, and universal themes, ensuring its place as one of the most beloved and influential works of world literature.